Fall has come, and with it, an exciting amount of Scarlet Knight teams looking to make a huge impact this upcoming season. We sat down and spoke with the coaches and players of the soccer and field hockey teams to find out what's on their minds for the upcoming campaigns.
Well, I've been a captain with Erin for 2 years now, and I think we've both grown as leaders. And, we as seniors, we just want to really leave our mark and push the program in the right direction, and I think we've been able to do that our past 3 years here.
Off season was tough. We were all here over the summer pretty much, working hard, running every day. Preseason was the toughest preseason I've ever been in, my 3 years in college, and I think it's gonna help us during the season. The team came together and we decided that we're not expecting anything less than a Big East championship. So I think we had a bad season last year, but I think we showed that we have the talent to take it to the Big East, and I think we're going to try and do that.
I think in general we have very high expectations. We really want to go into each game 100% intensity, and we really want to make Big East. It's been a goal of ours for a couple of years now. We really want to make the tournament, and we're looking to try and get more wins than we did last year, just really bumping up the expectations from last year into this year. We have a really good mix of girls this year. Everyone's really supportive of one another, and we really just want to work together. Everyone's there for each other, and everyone's extremely open-minded.
The coaches sounded very optimistic about the potential their teams possess.
We have high expectations, and that's based in part on what we accomplished last year and how we did it. And now that we have so many people back that were injured last year, plus a group of freshmen in addition to many returning players, so it's a really good mix. We're talented, we're deep, and we are or should be better on the attack, and we should just be as stingy defensively. But we know a majority of our opponents have also improved. So there's never a given in soccer, but we do have high expectations.
Are coming off a really good year. And I truly believe that this year's team is probably one of the tightest teams that I've ever coached. And in regards to coming off a year where we lost like our big scorer in Amy Lewis, and how just watching forwards and mids and players in general taking responsibility for their play. And I just really want them to have the freedom to really attack. We want a really high, aggressive attacking mentality this year, and I think that's going to bode well for us.
Each team is striving to have an even better season than the last, as new faces look to step up for their teams this fall. For RUTV, I'm Jen Gerald.